Yesterday, we finished the question number 1 and question number 2. Addition and subtraction from the problem set 45. Now we are going to solve word problems. Okay. Now question number 3. Problem number 3. A government office opens at 7 in the morning and closes at 3 in the afternoon. How long is this office open? गवर्नमेंट ऑफिस मॉर्निंग 7 o'clock ओपन होता है एंड क्लोजेस एट 3 in the afternoon. What is the closing time of the office? 3 o'clock. Okay, in the afternoon. So we have to tell them the time for how much time the office is open. Okay, in a day. तो वो ऑफिस कितने टाइम के लिए ओपन रहता है? We have to find out that. Okay, now see here. Now here, opens at 7 in the morning, okay, and closes at 3 in the afternoon. Now, one is the morning time, one is the afternoon time. So, morning time will not change, but afternoon time will change according to 24-hour clock. If we convert the time, okay, तो वो टाइम को हमें मॉर्निंग टाइम तो चेंज नहीं होता है इन 24-hour clock, but afternoon time is changing, correct? No, so we'll change this afternoon time. We'll change this afternoon time. It is a word problem, so you will write in words. Opening time of the office. Opening time of the office is 7 a.m. 7 in the morning. Closing time of the office 3 in the afternoon, 3 p.m. And by 24-hour clock, 12 plus 3, so 15. 12 plus 3 is 15. Correct, no? हमारा 12 o'clock तक आ गया, उसके आगे 3 o'clock means 3 numbers हमें add करना है. So 12 plus 3 is 15. So our closing time is 15 according to 24-hour clock. Now what we'll do? We'll do the subtraction. We'll do the subtraction. Hours, minutes. So from bigger number we'll minus the smaller number. So first is a 15 and second one opening time 7. When we subtract opening time from the closing time, we'll get the actual time for what time the office is open. So 0 minus 0 is 0, 0 only. 15 minus 7. 15 minus 7 is 8. So the office opens for 8 hours. Okay, the office opens for 8 hours. करेक्ट? वो ऑफिस कितने देर के लिए ओपन होता है? 8 hours. So you will write one sentence at the downside. Oh, the office opens for 8 hours. Okay? Understood? Now fourth one. A movie starts at 45 minutes past 3 in the afternoon. A movie starts at 45 minutes past 3 in the afternoon and finish 2.5 hours later. At what time does the movie end? Movie है वो कितने बजे स्टार्ट हुई? 45 minutes 3 in the afternoon. So movie starts at 45 minutes past 3 means 3:45. 3:45 p.m. Why I am writing p.m? Because it starts in the afternoon. Okay. Now this is a afternoon time means we will change this afternoon time into 24-hour clock. ये जो टाइम है इसे हम लोग किस में कन्वर्ट करेंगे? 24-hour clock में. Correct? So, are you able to tell me the time by 24-hour clock? आप मुझे बता सकते हो क्या कि ये टाइम 24-hour clock में कैसे कन्वर्ट होगा? What time will come by changing 24-hour clock? Mercy, Shreya, I don't want answer. Please tell me the exact time. For your GK only I am asking this कि आपको ये concept समझ में आया है कि नहीं? Very good, Sachi. Very good, Shreya. So 12 plus 3 is 15. 15, 45. 15, 45. That's it. Okay. So movie starts at 3:45. Okay, PM. Starts at 3:45 PM. Okay, and finish two and a half hours later, and finish a 2.5 hours. 2.5 hours means what? 2 hours and 30 minutes. Half an hour means 30 minutes. Means 2.5 घंटे बाद वो मूवी खत्म हुआ. Starts at 3:45 and finish at 2.5 hours later. So we have to tell the exact time. So at what time does the movie end? At which time the movie ends? We have to tell it. Okay. Movie start हुआ 3:45 को और खत्म हुआ 2.5 hours later. So we have to tell the exact time. Okay. At what time the movie ends. Okay. So again, movie starts at starts movie starts at 3:45 p.m. 3:45 p.m. correct, and finish at when the movie finish after 2.5 hours later. 2.5 hours means 2 hours and 30 minutes later. So what we'll do, we want the exact time at what time the movie ends. So what we'll do, we'll add this time. So again, hours column, minutes column. Okay, 3 hours 45 minutes. 3 hours 45 minutes को start with, and when it finish 2 hours and 30 minutes later, 2.5 hours later. So we'll add this time into 3. So we'll get the exact time. How Kinjal 9 will come beta? So 5 plus 0, what will come? 5. 4 plus 3, 7. 3 plus 2, 6. Now 6 are 75 minutes, but we are not measuring time. We are not measuring minutes. 75, 60. हम मैंने कहा था कि 60 से ज्यादा होगा. When the minutes are more than 60, we are converting that 60 minutes into hours. तो यहाँ पे मेरे पास minutes आए हैं 75 minutes आए. Correct? How many minutes I got over here? कितने मिनट्स मुझे मिले यहाँ पे? 75 minutes. So I minus 60 minutes from this. मैं कितने मिनट्स यहाँ से माइनस करूंगी? 60. Because more than 60 minutes is there. Exact 60 minutes we are converting that 60 minutes into 1 hour. So 75 minus 60. 5 minus 0 is 5 only. Okay. And 7 minus 6 is 1. So this 60 minutes will go over here and 1 hour will add. Okay, ये 75 में से 60 minutes यहाँ पे गए और वो 1 hour में change हो गए. So 6 plus 1, 7 hours, and how many minutes will remain over here? 15 minutes. Okay. ओके, वेरी सॉरी, माय मिस्टेक। 3 + 2 वो 5 आएगा। ओके, वेरी सॉरी, एक्सट्रीमली सॉरी। सो 3 + 2 5 आएगा। ओके, एंड वो यहाँ पे जो 60 मिनट्स है वो यहाँ पे आके कन्वर्ट होगा 1 आवर में। सो 1 + 5 is 6. 1 + 5 is 6. So at what time the movie finish? 6 hours 50 minutes. कब खत्म हुई वो? 50 minutes past 6 or 6:15. At what time the movie finish? 6:15. Okay, PM in the evening. Again I am explaining. Movie starts at 3:45. Movie start हुआ 3:45 in the afternoon. और वो खत्म कब हुआ? After 2.5 hours later. Correct? No Faizan, not 6:50. तो वो 2.5 hours बाद खत्म हुआ। तो हमें टाइम चाहिए exact at what time the movie finished. Okay, so we'll make the hour and minute column. We'll make the hour and minute column. Okay, so our movie starts at 3:45. Then it finish at 2 is finish after 2.5 hours later. तो हम लोग 2:30 minutes यहाँ से 2 hours 30 minutes ऐड करेंगे इसमें. So we'll get the time at what time the movie ends. Okay, तो 5 + 0 5, 4 + 3 7. Okay, और 3 + 2 5. मैंने यहाँ पे गलती से 6 लिखा था, माय मिस्टेक, बिकॉज मैं ये 4 + 3 7 सोच के गई और मुझे वो समझ में नहीं आया. Okay, so 3 + 2 is 5. I'm extremely sorry. 3 + 2 is 5. Okay, now here 75 minutes comes. Okay, यहाँ पे कितने मिनट्स आए? 75 minutes. So I told you that the minutes, if more than 70 minutes, 60 minutes, then that 60 minutes we are changing into hour. We are changing into hour. Okay, so 5 + 5 minus 0, 0 will do the subtraction over here. 75 minus 60. So 5 minus 0, 5. 7 minus 6, 1. So 15 minutes will remain. Okay, 15 minutes will remain, and this 60 minutes will go into hours. So 5 + 1 is 6. So movie finished at 6 o'clock and 15 minutes. Means 6:15. Okay, students. Question number 5. Sakharam was plowing the field from 8 in the morning. Sakharam was plowing the field from 8 in the morning, and at 12:30 in the afternoon he stopped and started for home. He reached home at 1:30. He reached home at 1:30. How long was he plowing the field? How long did it take him to reach home from the field? Okay. Now, please understand this question. Two questions in the same question is there. दो सब question है इसमें, तो ध्यान से देखना. Sakharam was plowing the field from 8 in the morning. Sakharam ने field plow करना start किया. I hope everyone know this point, है ना? ये हम लोग ने देखा था ना 4th के EVS में. So Sakharam started to plow from 8 in the morning. सुबह 8 बजे उन्होंने सखाराम जी ने फील्ड में काम करना स्टार्ट किया, प्लोइंग करना स्टार्ट किया. At 12:30 in the afternoon he stopped. उन्होंने 12:30 आफ्टरनून में स्टॉप किया. And started for home, और घर पे जाने के लिए निकले. He reached home at 1:30. और वो घर पे कब पहुंचे? At 1:30. So how long was he plowing the field? तो उन्होंने कितनी देर तक फील्ड में प्लॉइंग किया, कितने देर तक काम किया? दिस इज आवर वन क्वेश्चन. एंड सेकंड वन, हाउ लॉन्ग डिड इट टेक हिम टू रीच होम फ्रॉम द फील्ड? तो उन्हें फील्ड से घर पे जाने के लिए कितना टाइम लगा? उन्हें ठीक है, कितना टाइम उन्होंने लिया? सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन का सॉल्यूशन बता रही हूँ. हाउ लॉन्ग वॉज ही प्लॉइंग इन द फील्ड. वो कितने देर तक फील्ड में काम कर रहे थे. ओके. तो सखराम जी कितने देर तक काम कर रहे थे. तो व्हाट यू विल डू हियर. He started at 8 o'clock and he finished at 12:30. So what you will do from afternoon time you will subtract morning time. Okay, from 8:30 12:30 में से आप जब 8 o'clock माइनस करोगे so you will get the time. ओके क्योंकि फिनिश टाइम है उनका, उन्होंने काम करना स्टॉप कब किया 12:30 एंड ही स्टार्टेड एट 8 o'clock. सो फ्रॉम जो स्टॉप वाला टाइम है जो उन्होंने खत्म किया वो टाइम है, वहां में से अगर आप आपका स्टार्टिंग का टाइम मतलब काम शुरू किया वो टाइम अगर माइनस करते हो, सो यू विल गेट द एग्जैक्ट टाइम फॉर हाउ मच ही प्लॉ इन द फील्ड. ओके. एंड सेकेंड वन, हाउ लॉन्ग डिड इट टेक टू रीच होम फ्रॉम द फील्ड. और उन्हें घर पे जाने के लिए कितना टाइम लगा. सो 12:30 उन्होंने काम खत्म किया और वो घर पे जाने के लिए निकले और वो पहुंचे 1:30 को. सो फ्रॉम अगेन 1:30 में से आप 12:30 माइनस करोगे, बट 1:30 में से 12:30 माइनस नहीं होगा. 1 सेकंड. तो आप 1:30 को किस में कन्वर्ट करोगे 24 आवर क्लॉक में, मीन्स 13:30. 1:30 will change into 13:30 and from 13:30 you will minus 12:30, so you will get the time he took to reach at home. उन्हें घर पे जाने के लिए कितना टाइम लगा तो आपको वहां से पता चलेगा. ओके. Question number 6. Rambhau started the water pump at 10:30 at night. Rambhau started the water pump at 10:30 at night and put it off the same night at 11:45. How long was the water pump on? Rambhau ने water pump रात को 10:30 को start किया. In the night. Okay. In the night at 10:30, Rambhau started the water pump and he put it off. और उन्होंने वो कब बंद किया वाटर पंप दैट सेम नाइट ओनली. उसी रात को उन्होंने वो बंद किया एट 11:45. 11:45 मीन्स व्हाट 11:45. करेक्ट ना, बिकॉज क्वार्टर पार्ट इज रिमेनिंग टू 12, तो हम लोग उसको क्या लिखते हैं 45 मिनट्स पास 11 और 11:45. करेक्ट नो. सो अ क्वार्टर टू 12 मीन्स व्हाट 11:45. उन्होंने वो पंप को बंद किया. सो हाउ लॉन्ग वॉज द वाटर पंप ऑन. तो वाटर पंप कितने देर के लिए ऑन था. ओके. सो हियर Rambhau started the pump at 10:30. I'm writing a little bit shortcut because place is not there, but I'm telling that same sentence again and again. Okay. So Rambhau started the pump at 10:30. Correct. In the night. 10:30 in the night means what? PM. Okay. So Rambhau started the pump at 10:30 and he put it off. The pump at 11:45. 11:45 means what? 11:45. तो उन्होंने वो पंप कितने बजे बंद किया 11:45 means 11:45. So we have to tell the time for how long the pump was on. तो वो पंप कितने देर तक चल रहा था तो हमें वो find out करना है. So again what we'll do, hours and minutes column. Correct. Hours and minutes. What we'll do, from bigger number we'll subtract the smaller number. उन्होंने खत्म पंप को बंद किया वो टाइम में से हम लोग उनका स्टार्ट किया हुआ टाइम अगर माइनस करते तो we'll get the answer for how long the pump is on. Okay. So 11:45 minus 10:30. Okay. So we'll do the subtraction. 5 minus 0, 5. 4 minus 3, 1. And 11 minus 10, 1. करेक्ट ना? 11 में से 10 गया, या फिर 1 minus 0 is 1, 1 minus 1 is 0. So for how long the pump is on? For 1 hour 15 minutes. 1 hour 15 minutes. So वो पंप कितने देर तक ऑन रहा? 1 hour 15 minutes. Everyone understood this? Correct? ये सबको समझ में आया है? Very simple one. I told you that if you solve the sums, it is very easy. Correct? Now we'll solve the next one. We'll solve the next one. Okay. And our next sum is question number 7. Question number 7. Geeta taught in the classroom for 2 hours. Geeta taught in the classroom for 2 hours and 25 minutes in the morning and 1 hour 45 minutes in the afternoon. How long was she teaching in all? गीता क्लासरूम में 2 hours 25 minutes के लिए पढ़ाती है, सिखाती है इन द मॉर्निंग. ओके, मॉर्निंग टाइम में उसे पढ़ाने का 2 hours 25 minutes एंड 1 hour and 45 minutes इन द आफ्टरनून. और आफ्टरनून में कितना टाइम पढ़ाती है वो? 1 hour 45 minutes. ओके, सो हाउ लॉन्ग वॉज शी टीचिंग इन ऑल? तो वो पूरे टाइम कितना पढ़ाती है वो हमें फाइंड आउट करना है. Okay, now what we'll do? We'll add the morning time and we'll add the afternoon time. Then we'll get the total time. Okay, for how long she was teaching. So what we'll do? We'll add the morning time of her teaching and afternoon time. So we'll get the total time of her teaching. So morning time is 2 hours 25 minutes and afternoon time is 1 hour 45 minutes. 1 hour 45 minutes. Okay. 1 hour 45 minutes. So we'll add the Gita's time now. Morning time. I'm writing on the M. Okay. So morning time is 2 hours 25 minutes. And afternoon time is 1 hour 45 minutes. Now we want the actual time. We want the actual time. What we'll do? We'll do the addition. We'll do the addition. So we'll get the exact time. Again, hours, minutes. Now, first is 2 hours 25 minutes in the morning, and second one is the 1 hour 45 minutes in the afternoon. Now we'll get the total timing she teaches in a day. So 5 plus 5 is 0. Carry forward 1. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. And 2 plus 1 is 3. Now here 3 hours 70 minutes are there. But when the time is more than 60 minutes, we are changing that 60 minutes into hours. So 70 minus 60, 0 minus 0, 0, 7 minus 6 is 1. Means 70 minus 60 is 10 minutes. तो हम लोग ये 60 को यहाँ पे कन्वर्ट करेंगे, 1 hour ऐड हो जाएगा. करेक्ट? So 1 plus 3. So what our answer will come? What the answer will come over here? 4 hours 10 minutes. 4 hours 10 minutes. Correct? So how much time she teaches in the whole day? 4 hours 10 minutes. Okay. She teaches overall in a day 4 hours 10 minutes. Your doubt is clear now? You understood this sum? So Geeta, she was teaching for 4 hours 10 minutes. तो दिन में वो कितना पढ़ाती है? 4 hours 10 minutes. Everyone understood this? Now next sum. Okay. We'll do the next one now. We'll do now next. Okay. If a bank is open for business from 10 in the morning to 4:30 in the evening, how long is it open? एक बैंक है जो मॉर्निंग में 10 o'clock को ओपन होती है एंड आफ्टरनून में इवनिंग में 4:30 को बंद होती है. सो फॉर हाउ लॉन्ग इज इट ओपन? तो वो बैंक कितनी देर तक ओपन रहती है? ओके, सो अगेन दिस 4:30, one time is in the morning, one time is in the afternoon. So bank is open for a business from 10 in the morning to the 4:30 in the evening. So we have to tell the time for how long the bank is open. Okay, now again bank's opening time. Bank's opening time is 10 o'clock in the morning and closing time, okay, closing time is 4:30 p.m. because it is a afternoon time. 4:30 p.m. correct? But now student, this is 4:30 in the evening. We want this 4:30 by 24 hours clock. हमें इसे चेंज करना है 24 hours clock में. तो 4:30 का क्या होगा? 24 hour clock means 12 plus 4 is 16. 16:30. Correct? Now we'll do the again subtraction. उसके closing time में से हम लोग क्या करेंगे? उसका opening time माइनस करेंगे. So hours, minutes. Okay, hours are closing time is 16:30. Opening time is 10. Now minutes are not there, so we'll put 0, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. 3 minus 0, 3. And 16 minus 10. 16 में से 10 गए 6. So banks is open for 6 hours 30 minutes. तो बैंक्स कितने देर के लिए ओपन रहती है? बैंक इज ओपन फॉर 6 hours 30 minutes. 6 hours 30 minutes. Very good, very good. So everyone understood this very well. Okay, very good. Now the last sum of this problem set we are going to solve now. Okay, okay. So last sum of the problem set, if a shop is open from 9:30 a.m. to 10 p.m., how long is it open? एक शॉप जो है वो मॉर्निंग में 9:30 को ओपन होता है टू 10 p.m. p.m. मीन्स नाइट टाइम है, रात को 10 बजे का टाइम है. 10 p.m. So p.m. means it will not come in the afternoon, it will not come in the evening. 10 in the night. So we have to tell for how long the shop is open. फिर से हम लोग क्या करेंगे? Subtraction. From the closing time we'll subtract the opening time. Okay. शॉप जब ओपन होता है 9:30 को, तो हम लोग क्लियर बेटा, it is not the correct answer. Now we'll solve it. Okay, so shop is open from 9:30 and closes at 10 p.m. Okay, so last we are going to solve. Very sorry. So shop's opening time is 9:30 morning time, 9:30 a.m. So this time will not change. Closing time is 10 p.m. Correct? So this 10 will change into by 24-hour clock. Okay, तो 10 मतलब क्या होगा? Can you tell me? 12 plus 10, so 22 by 24-hour clock. 24-hour clock से ये क्या होगा? The 24-hour clock से 10 p.m. का टाइम क्या होगा? 22. So we'll again do the subtraction. Opening time minus closing time. Okay, simple. Hours, minutes. So our closing time is 22. Minutes are not there, so we'll put 00 minus opening time. So no Prathamesh beta, 9:30. Correct? Now from 00 we can't subtract. 30. So what we'll do? We'll borrow 1 from this 22. हम लोग ये 22 से क्या करेंगे? 1 बोरो करेंगे. तो 22 के पास क्या रह जाएगा यहाँ पे? आई एम राइटिंग इन आवर्स कॉलम ओनली बिकॉज द वन एक्स्ट्रा कॉलम आई डिडंट ड्रॉ. तो 22 ने 1 आवर दे दिया इसे. ओके, सो आई डू हियर. जरा बड़ा करते हैं हम लोग. ओके, सो यू विल अंडरस्टैंड इट वेरी क्लियरली. ओके, एक बड़ा सा कॉलम करते हैं. ओके, hours and minutes will borrow here, and here our answer will come. Okay, so our closing time 10 p.m. in the night means will change into 24 hours clock, so 22 will come, and our opening time is 9:30. हमारा shop open कब होता है? 9:30. Now from 00 we can't subtract 30. अब हम लोग 00 minutes में से 30 minutes minus नहीं कर सकते. So what we'll do? We'll borrow 1 from this 22 hours. तो ये 22 hours में हमें 1 hour दिया, तो यहाँ पे रह गया 21 hours, और 1 hour यहाँ पे आए तो वो चेंज हो गए 60 minutes में. 1 hour will change into 60 minutes. So 60 minus 30, 60 minus 30, 60 minutes में से 30 minutes गए तो क्या हुए यहाँ पे? 30 minutes. Okay, and 21 minus 9. 21 minus 9. So 1 minus 9 is not possible. So this one will borrow 1 from this 2. तो 2 ने 1 दे दिया तो यहाँ पे हो गया 11, और 2 के पास बचा 1 only. So 11 minus 1 is 2, and 1 will come as it is. ये अब मैं आपको यहाँ पे करके बता रही हूँ, but this thing you will keep in your mind. This is a rough work. Okay? ये आपको अभी आप बड़े हो गए तो आपको ये ध्यान में रखना है. You will keep this everything in your mind, or you will do this rough work. So 21 minus 9 is 12. So shop is open for 12 hours 30 minutes. So shop is open for 12 hours and 30 minutes. तो कितने देर के लिए शॉप ओपन होता है? मॉर्निंग को 9:30 स्टार्ट होता है, इवनिंग नाइट में 10 o'clock को बंद होता है शॉप. So it will remain open for 12 hours 30 minutes. Okay. So okay students, so we finished today the problem set 45. The last sum is for your self study. Already fifth sum I explain how to do, and the last sum I will not explain, you will do by yourself. Okay, so here word problems of problem set 45 is also finished.